What are you doing? I'm gonna get you. No, no.
Don't get me.
Why not?
Please.
Are you supposed to have those?
No.
Here, give them to mommy. Give. Oh, thank you. All right, let's get down.
No.
Maddie, are you supposed to be up there?
See that?
No, you cannot have a cough drop. Put it back, please.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, thanks. You gave me 5. Now give me the cough drop.
No.
Yes.
It's the bad guy.
It's a Martin.
Okay.
Good girl.
No.
Put it away.
No.
You cannot have a cough drop. Give it to mama.
No. No.
Hey. Put it in my hand.
No.
Let me hold the cough drop. Okay, I'm going to get you down then.
No.
Come on.
No. No. No.
You've got to give it to mama. Madison Elizabeth.
No, Martin Cross. Martin Cross. No.
Madison. Maddie, do you think mommy's going to let you eat that?
Yeah.
No. It's medicine. You can't have medicine.
No.
I'm going to have to put them up higher, aren't I?
No.
I know, baby. No, you can't have it. I love you. What do you want? Can we find something else that's good? No. Come here. Can I have a kiss?
No.
I love you. Can I kiss?
No.
I can't have a kiss?
No.
Why not?
No.
I'm going to get kissed.
No. No. No.
Give mommy kisses.
No. No.
Oh, it's so sad.
No. No.
I got you. I gave you kisses.
No.
Why not?
No.
Peekaboo.
No.
Can I hold you?
No.
Are you so sad? No, we're not going to get that out. I love you. You got it? Bye-bye. Oh, more stuff you're not supposed to have. Can mommy come get it? Oh, Scoobs. I'm going to come get it, Maddie.
Mom, go get her.
You give me that.
No.
Oh.
Perry's coming out.
Gathering winter storms. And on one of these crisp autumn days,
Hi.
she goes beyond the limits of her own territory.
Are you recording?
To a part of Wildwood Heart. She
Yay, mommy's recording.
Parker, you're messing up my clothes I just hung up, dude.
Hey, get messed up over.
so far from
Uh-oh.
home, she gets confused.
I don't wanna,
And to find her bearings, she climbs
It'd
a
be
tree.
nice.
Uh-oh.
Orange baby?
Uh-oh.
Simple act.
Where's your
Turns out to
smile?
be a very grave mistake.
Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Who's in the manger?
Goodbye, Perry.
Who?
Pizza.
Who?
Pizza.
Baby Jesus, where is he?
That way.
He's over there?
Yeah.
He's not behind you in the manger? We better go get baby Jesus. Where'd baby Jesus go?
This is the grove of the crooked aspen. The trees twisted and deformed by some violent and long-forgotten storm.
Do you want mommy to help you find him? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, where are you, baby Jesus?
Wait, I do
The Perry is strange and frightening.
I love you.
I got you.
Oh no, Mom! Mom is a snake with Perry.
Oh, that's a cool snake.
Ooh, actually.
Karkar, say hi. Grumpy Karkar. Hey, you be nice or you will be having an uh-oh.
Very sensitive,
Cheese.
and yet she takes no chances.
Silly face.
For in the absence
Frown.
of death
Sad.
No! Mom,
Hey,
it's a ferret.
Lance.
Ferret versus squirrel.
Woo.
Me dad. Me
Woo.
dad. Me dad.
Oh, you want some? Oh, you sad.
No, ferret. Ferret's gonna get Perry.
It's a martin.
That's a ferret, Mom.
They've been calling it a martin.
I thought it was a ferret. You so
Here's the boy who calls a ferret
The weasel isn't
A
quite
martin.
a weasel.
Perry might
Mom, I called a martin a ferret.
Maybe
takes a one-way path.
they gave a ferret the name Martin, like they gave the squirrel Perry.
Oh, goodbye.
What?
There's
Is
a
that
hawk. He's dead.
Say something.
Martin's coming up.
Say something.
And the hawk's coming down. Okay, hello, phone.
Phone. Lulu, what you doing?
Mom, Mom, can they point it to it? This guy's dead. There's a ferret. There's Martin's coming up, and I don't know the hawk's. I'm just gonna call him Jerry.
Pretty good.
Jerry's
1988 movie, isn't it?
down. All right, Martin's going after him. No, Barry.
Do not knock the laundry basket.
Barry's done. Barry's coming
Oh
down.
no.
Jerry's got both of them.
Jerry's the hawk.
I'm just gonna call him Jerry.
Get that off your mouth, honey.
The Gossamer's talons find the weasel.
Ooh, the weasel.
The weasel goes away.
Ew, no.
No,
Perry got away. The weasel's getting eaten by the hawk.
You deserve that.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does. He doesn't mess with Perry. It came out wrong, didn't it?
No, it was funny.